I would like to represent to you my conception of the share.
The finish is really, really well executed.
For shareable creation, it's perfectly on point.
To the judges, the flavor of this dessert is mango calamansi basil with a crumble.
It looks really, really nice and it smells amazing. So I'm looking forward to taste it.
So my theme is local love, and I've used the Earl Grey in this dessert, which locally goes and harvests from Quebec and Ontario regions of Canada.
It's really playful, and yes, after seeing this chocolate works, we can really find this assignment childhood. Yes, it was great. It was great.
My topic of my choice is local love, as the first time that we are representing Workshop Hungary, and during these 2 days I would like to take you for a trip to Hungary.
I'm going to go visit Hungary. I'm going to find the local love in Hungary after I've seen this. This is fantastic work, outstanding.
Eero.
My theme is renewable, and I started thinking about renewable resources and what's more Nordic than fresh water.
It's pretty fresh. It's actually a very interesting flavor combination, but they blend well together. And I think what he was trying to translate in the plate really shine through.
My theme is Maya to renewable. Use the cocoa pod to transform to new energy for tomorrow.
I think it's the best matcha chocolate and orange flavor, so that's why it's really good taste. I think so.
Sablé biscuit chocolat, c'est jus de citron vert avec le pull de cacao. Ça c'est coulis de mangue et prémonté avec yaourt.
I think it's very creative.
El tema principal de local love o amor por el produit local.
Yeah, this is sharing. This is sharing for me. It's an experience. When I first saw it, I had some thoughts with it, but now we're doing it and we're doing it together. So in my opinion, the idea of sharing is really good.
My topic is simply great. And today my 3D design is inspired by the global warming and how it affects the ocean.
It's a very original presentation, very excited. I very enjoyed the degustation.